With the volatility of silver all over the place lately, will it crash or will it explode? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. Not really, it's Thursday, but it's Friday for SSC. Going to be a great day, a fantastic day. Gold and silver prices are pretty steady today. We're going to talk about that this morning. Will prices crash on silver or will they explode? We're going to talk about that this morning and what some of the analysts are saying about silver, specifically silver, this year, everybody. So we're going to talk about that. But before we get started, as always, I want to say thank you to all of my viewers out there. Thank you, everyone that has subscribed. Our channel is doing fantastic, everybody. So far, our channel is at 8,197 subscribers today, and we appreciate that. Thank you so very much. It is a team effort on this channel, everybody. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, right? So you make this channel work. You make this channel push. And so the best thing that you can do for me, if you're a non-subscriber, if you want to, you don't have to, but you can hit the like button, the subscribe button, and that little bell notification button down there tells you when I post these videos. So thank you, everybody, for watching. Everybody all over the world, all over the United States. We got some great coins to show you at the end of the video, as we've been doing every day so far. Happy coffee. I got my happy coffee mug here ready to go. SSC plastered all over it. Anyway, things are going great for silver and gold. They're always going great, guys. It doesn't matter if they're up or if they're down. Things are great. You can buy when they're down, and you can look at your investment grow when they're up, guys. It's still a great hedge, silver, against inflation, everyone. It is a savings account for SSC. It's been a savings account because, hey, if I put it in the bank, it does nothing, okay? Silver's very volatile. It's very risky. But when it goes up, it skyrockets. It goes parabolic, as it did in January. So we'll talk about that if I can remember. Anyway, that's what the video is supposed to be about anyway, is will it crash? Will it skyrocket? Will it go parabolic again? Some analysts are talking about that, guys, but hey, it's still a great investment because guess what? You hold it. There's not someone else controlling your money. You're controlling your own money. So if things are not going good for silver and you say, hey, I'm getting out, you can take it, you can sell it, and you can get out. If things are going great for silver and you say, hey, I'm getting out, silver's high, I'm taking my profits, you can get out, right? Just like the paper pushers, everybody, just like the paper boys. And we're going to talk about that, I believe, tomorrow. We're going to talk about the COMEX and the paper to silver ratio, which is 356 to 1, 356 to 1. We're going to discuss that more tomorrow, guys. So let's take a look at some silver prices real quick and some gold prices and just all the metal prices. So yesterday they were hovering most all day at 83 on silver and 51.50-ish on gold. Gold's up a little bit this morning. It hovered, still over 5,000, guys. So that is a great number. So you can't argue that. It's a great number. Silver and gold are way up from this time last year. They're still way up, guys. 20%, I think, on silver this year, up compared to last year. It went up, 146% or something? It's crazy. So gold is at 51.52.40. It's up $12.20. Sip a coffee and throat noises. Silver, guys, silver, it was over 84 when I woke up this morning. I was up very early this morning, about 3 a.m. Got up, did my thing and decided, hey, might as well get up this morning. It's Friday for me. So 83.66, 83.66. So there's some pushing going on and some shoving going on and some fighting going on these gold and silver prices, guys. Platinum 21.66. It's up $10. 16.44 on palladium, and it's down $10. So one that's shocking me a little bit, rhodium, which has been up here lately, guys and gals. It's just a habit. 11,100. So it is still doing really, really good. It's just not as good. It's down a little bit. So let's move on to our Hong Kong and Mumbai. I don't see London yet. London's not on here. Let me refresh this and we'll see if London pops up. And London still hasn't popped up. So we will check out Hong Kong. Hong Kong is at 51.84.95 on gold, everybody, and 84.61 on silver. So they're a little bit higher than we are right now. We are still at 83. We're up 83.91. So pushing that 84 mark. Once again, what is, when the paper boys open up this morning, what it seems that silver and gold go down when the big boys open up. We need a two-tier system. We need a physical spot price for physical silver only. Actually, probably just need one. And then they can do their paper boy price, right? But we need to price it as a spot price, a legitimate price, not a false paper price. And that's my opinion, everybody. Mumbai is 51.71.25 on gold and 84.62 on silver. So that being said, we're going to roll over to Goldbacks. We're still doing good on our gold and silver. So let's roll over to Goldbacks. Goldbacks, one of my favorite things, guys. Of course, silver's number one. Silver's number one, gold's number two, and Goldback's number three. Well, maybe just number two, because technically Goldbacks are gold. They're 24 karat gold that follows the gold market, everybody. They're at 10.30 yesterday, $10.30 exchange rate. Great way to own fractional gold, beautiful artwork. I believe these things will be collector's items, negotiable currency items. They could be many, many things. The guys that came up with these things, wow, they aren't stupid. They're pretty intelligent, to develop something like this. And they have the mindset, guys, as stackers, or they wouldn't have brought these out. They're preppers. That's what Goldbacks are. It's a prepping, negotiating instrument, in my opinion. So technically, the guys that came up, hey, kudos to you guys at Goldback, Alpine. You guys are preppers because you develop these. So let's move on to our base metals. And here shortly, we're going to talk about the forecast of what some of these big places are talking about. Silver, where they could go. Would they crash? Would they explode in price? So our base metals right now, copper's down a little bit. We're going to say about 20 cents, $5.83. There's another one that I believe should be reclassified into ounces for the investment grade copper, and then of course copper by price for scrap copper and bulk copper, industrial copper, guys. I think it should be reclassified. I think that copper should be priced by the ounce. I just do, because the popularity is massive and people are going to continue to do it. Whether it doesn't matter what stackers, what we all say, people are going to do what they want to do. And if they see this as a future investment, unlike silver and gold, but a future investment, they're going to take it. They're going to stack it, guys. They're going to either do one of two things. They're going to hold their physical, or they're going to buy paper miner stocks such as that. So nickel, 781, got a little bit of that. Aluminum, got a lot of that in the form of cans. $1.51. So aluminum's about even. $1.49 on zinc. They're down a penny. And lead is, I'm not sure what it is. It's 86 cents. Here's a shocker this morning, everybody. The shocker this morning is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it came up. It's 72,591.76, but it's way down compared to what I saw when I first started doing this, looking at it when it was 126,000 a Bitcoin. And here we are at 72,000. Still the biggest loser of everything right now, in my opinion, everybody. So that's just the way it is. So let's go over to the Shanghai chart here, guys. We're going to check it out. And what is going on in Shanghai? Shanghai is still about $10, $12 an ounce higher on silver than us, than all over the world. I mean, Canada is outrageously expensive on silver right now. Although it's down, it's still very expensive. So Shanghai's up in the $95 range, guys. From one of my viewers, I heard that, and I haven't really researched it yet, but they said that Shanghai, their physical silver holds their premiums. So the premiums are included in their spot price or the stock price, everybody. So that's an interesting tidbit of information that I was provided with yesterday. And guys, they love the physical silver. They're not big on the paper. They're more into physical silver. They want the prices, in my opinion, to come down. They want them to come down. Then they buy it all. Then they just hoard it all in to their country. They take that physical silver, they drive the prices up. It's such a crazy thing. Really, technically, if you think about it, guys, there's a lot of crooked things going on, a lot of crooked people going on in the gold and silver market, guys. And they're protecting themselves, just like our governments do. They protect themselves so that they don't get in trouble, so that they can make jillions of dollars. So the best thing that we can do as stackers is buy and protect ourselves, just like they do. Buy silver, buy gold, platinum, copper, whatever it may be, to protect yourself. So that's what I'm doing, protecting myself, my grandchildren, my children, my wife, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. So let's move over and let's talk about what they're talking about with silver, specifically silver in, is it going to crash? Is it going to explode? So some of the groups, the CME is predicting that silver will be between $70 and the $90 range, everybody, which is actually a pretty good prediction. I think it'll go higher. I'm still holding to it. And some of these groups also think that it's going to explode this year once again. You know, when we go parabolic, we go boom, we go up just like we did in January, and then we crash back down, and then we kind of stabilize like we are right now, and we're sitting at $83.99, almost $84, and I still think that the $81 floor price is about where we're going to be. $80 to $81 floor price. JP Morgan's got it at $81 to $100 average this year. in silver. So it goes to over to 100. It could once again go parabolic, in my opinion. That is my opinion, guys. I still think it's going to. I still think everybody that bought at 100, including me, including me, everybody, I still think that we're going to be okay. I still think it's going to go up. But I have thrown those passes, that, I'm trying to throw a screen pass and some linebacker intercepts it and scores a touchdown. That's happened to us several times on silver, guys. So JP Morgan showing a floor of roughly $81 to the $100 range. And then we've got some groups, some predictions in big banks that are saying it could go as high as $150 this year, which is definitely an explosion. When will it go 150? We don't know. All of us have had to pull our prices back, our predictions back, because we were wrong, everybody. We were completely wrong on our predictions. So we jumped the bandwagon, including SSC, but I believed it. I believed it, everybody. So, but listen, there's channels out there that are showing $1,200 silver. They would bet their reputation on that. Well, their reputation so far is crap. So be careful about the channels you watch. I try to give you the information that I read up on, that I study on, that I believe in. But it doesn't necessarily make it that I'm going to be right. It doesn't. I may not be right. I may be wrong. I've been wrong before. So some of them have got it at 150, guys. Some people, some banks are showing, including JP Morgan, that we can have a strong correction pullback, however you want to say it, guys, to $40 to $50 an ounce. Great buying opportunity if that happens. That's why we hold our silver, because it goes up over time. It is a hedge against inflation, and it's still worth money, guys. So that being said, let's go check out some numismatic coins. We're going to go through these. This is a long update video, guys, but hey, happy Thursday. Let's check out some numismatic old world coins. Well, guys, sorry these videos are so long, but we had a lot to talk about. But let's check out some world coins. We've got over 380 of these to go through, guys, and I've got a bunch of beautiful silver old numismatic world coins to go through also. But this is Denmark, guys, 1927. Beautiful. Look at that. 1927. Guys, over in Denmark, we got some viewers in Denmark. If you'll explain to me, guys, or some of you numismatic professionals, what the reason was for the hole in the center of these coins. So 1927, 5, I believe it's pronounced or. If I'm wrong, please correct me, guys, but an absolutely gorgeous coin. I think we're going to show some of these. We're going to take some of these to Raven tomorrow morning. We're going to go see Flying Eagle coins tomorrow morning, talk to Raven, talk to the folks over there, get to meet some good folks over there. And then we're going to find out some history on some of these. So 1927, Denmark, everybody. How do you like my St. Patty's Day setup back here? I figured we'd get started early, just like we do on Christmas. And then now we got a beautiful Colombia 1921 2 centavos, guys. So another beautiful coin. And man, this is great for the grandkids. This is great for people. And think about how long it would take to actually go and research everything, over 380 of these, and research them. And it would keep you busy, especially a ADHD brain like mine. So here's a 35 Brazil, another awesome coin. Beautiful coin. 1938, guys. Is that an 8? Yes, 1938. So another awesome coin, guys. History. This is history. World coins, U.S. coins, it's all history, guys. So a beautiful Brazil. And then our last one, everyone, a Chile, 1932. We haven't shown a coin from Chile, but another nice looking coin, everybody. Really cool. And man, I'm really getting into this stuff. The numismatic world coins are really cool. They're really fun right now with silver prices and gold prices so high. You know, the premiums being up around $90 to $100 an ounce for eagles and such. So this has been very fun, been very educational for me, and I'm going to continue to learn more. I want to learn more about the numismatic side of coins and everything, because it is history, guys. This is our world history. So everybody have a fantastic Friday, but really it's not Friday. So have a fantastic Thursday. We thank everybody for watching. Heavenly Father, thank you for all these beautiful coins. Thank you for our gold and our silver. Thank you for the roofs you put over our heads. Thank you for everything that has been given to us that we take for granted, Lord. Please let us concentrate on the 80% we have and not the 20% that we seek. Everybody have a fantastic day, fantastic weekend. We're going to be seeing you at the gun show on Saturday with Joe at Joe's Gold and Silver. Come see us Saturday, Oklahoma City Gun Show, SSC, right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. I'm out, guys.